Good morning, everyone. I am Santi, working as the assistant professor in Erode Engineering College. Today, I am going to take up in detail types of sentence. It is the basic learning for English class. The basic types of sentence you should know. First of all, we have to know what is sentence. Every word you say has to role in a sentence. Every word is a part of sentence. Today, we are going to discuss about types of sentence and what is meant by sentence. First, we can see about what is meant by sentence. A sentence is nothing but group of words. In that group of words, it is divided into three parts. The first one is to complete the thoughts or ideas. The second one is subject and verb combination. And then third one is meaning. Okay. Under that meaning, we have to discuss about statement or declarative, assertive, interrogative, and exclamative. Okay. First, we can discuss about complete thoughts or ideas. In that example, blue sky is there. Is it correct? No, it is wrong. No, it is wrong. Rearranging the same word to get the meaningful sentence. How you rearrange that sentence? The sky is blue. Yes, very good. The sky is blue. Now we get to know about the color of the sky. The information about sky. Sky is a blue in color from the sentence as it is convey the meaning of the sentence. So sentence is nothing but a group of word and also it gives some meaning, that is called as sentence, and also it gives some information. Okay, so in group of words, the first one is complete thought or ideas. First one is complete thought or ideas. In that, the right example for that one is the sky is blue. That is the information about the sky, that the sky is blue in color. That's all about the complete thoughts or ideas. Next, we can see about subject and verb combination. Subject and verb combination. Sometimes the subject is not given in the sentence. Sometimes the subject is not given in the sentence. Put the book here. Here you put the book here means put is called as verb. The book here is the object. So we can add it as the subject. You put the book here. You is called as a subject. In this sentence, you are a good student. You are a good student. You is a subject or is a verb. A good student is a object. Okay, this is the subject verb combination. So what is my sentence means? It is a group of words. The first one is complete thought or ideas. For that, the example is blue sky is the is it right? No, it is not a right one. So rearranging the same word to get the meaningful sentence. So you can rearrange the sky is blue. In this sentence, yeah, it is the information about the sky, that is sky is blue. And the second part is subject and verb combination. Sometimes the subject is not given in the sentence. For an example, put the book here. It's a put is a verb and the book here is a object. You have to add the subject. You put the book here. Now you is a subject, he is a verb, the book here is a object. For that, here the example. Here the example. You are a good student. In this sentence, you is a subject or is a verb and good student is a object. This is the subject. This is the subject and verb combination. The third one is meaning. It has the different meaning. In meanings, it has the different meaning such as a statement, questions, command, and exclamation. Okay, these four are called as the meaning. So, what is by sentence? Sentence is a group of word. It is divided into three groups. What is means? First one is complete thought or ideas. The second one is subject and verb combination, and the third one is meaning. In this meaning, we have to see in detail. It has the different meaning such as what are the meanings? Statement, questions, uh, statement, questions, command, or any exclamation. This called as a meaning. These are the different meanings or thoughts. Okay, that's all about what is meant by sentence. Are you clear? Next, we can see about types of sentence. The types of sentence, only four types are there. Only four types are there. The first one is statement or declarative sentence, exclamations, command or imperative sentence, and then question. Question is nothing but interrogative sentence. There are four kinds of sentence. One is declarative sentence, another one is interrogative sentence, and then imperative sentence, and then exclamative sentence. Understand each of them. Okay, you have to understand each of them. What is my statement? Statement is nothing but this is telling the sentence or statement. It ends with the period. Okay, it ends with the period. It is also called as the declarative sentence. The declarative sentence is telling some information about anything and end in a period. That is called as a statement. For an example, the dog's name is Andy. Okay, that this is the information about the dog's name. A dog is man's best friend. Who is the man's best friend? The dog is the man's best friend. Telling an information that a dog is the best friend for man. Okay. Likewise, some of the examples are given. The next one is command. Command is nothing but the imperative sentence. This is the commands. It tells us to do something, and it ends an exclamation point or a period. For an example, get your shoes on now. At last you have to put the exclamation mark. Okay, you need to your shoes and put your shoes away. This is called as a command. And then exclamation is nothing but some sudden feelings or emotions and excitement. It ends in a exclamation point also. For an example, we are going to get ice cream. My ice cream fell. This ice cream is so yummy. At last you have to put the exclamation mark. And then question. Question is nothing but the interrogative sentence. The sentence asks us a questions. It ends with a question mark. For an example, do you see the bird? How old are you? Next, WHO questions. Who are you? Where is my book? How are you? This and all comes under questions. That questions is called as an interrogative sentence. So there are the four types of sentence. The first one is statement. The second one is statement or declarative. The second one is imperative sentence. The third one is exclamation sentence, and the fourth one is questions or interrogative sentence. We can see one by one in detail. Okay, the first one is declarative sentence. First we have to see the declarative sentence. What is meant by declarative sentence? The declarative sentence is telling some information about anything and end with a period. Okay, declarative sentence are constructed to tell or convey the information to the listeners. So, in declarative sentence, mainly 2 points. The first point is telling information about something or conveying the information to the listeners. These 2 points are called as the declarative sentence. Mm, it is the form of the statement. It is the form of the statement. It ends with a full stop. There are the few examples are follows. There are the two main points in declarative sentence. The first one is you have to remember that first one is it is the form of statement. Okay, it is the form of statement. It ends with a full stop. The second point, it ends with a full stop. In that, there are a few examples are given below. The first one is a dog is man's best friend. A dog is man's best friend. In this sentence, telling an information about the dog is the best friend for man. Okay. The next example is the sandwich is very tasty. The sandwich is very tasty. Telling an information about the taste of sandwich. Okay. In this sentence, telling the informations about the taste of sandwich. The third example is she is a beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. In this sentence, defining or informing that beauty of the girl. All of them end with the period. All of them end with the period. This is called as a declarative sentence. So, in declarative sentence, you have to remember 2 points. The first one is telling information about anything and conveying the information to the listener. For that, you have to follow the another 2 points. That is, it is the form of statement. It ends with the full stop. For an example, what is the example for the declarative sentence? A dog is a man's best friend. A sandwich is very tasty. She is the beautiful girl. These three sentences telling an information about the particular dog, and then sandwich, how the taste of the sandwich, and how the girl is look like a beautiful. That informations are all also comes under in declarative sentence. So you have to remember that declarative sentence or statement means it's telling the information about anything, and also conveying the information to the listener. That is called as what? Declarative sentence. That is called as what? Declarative sentence. Next we can see about the type is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is nothing but interrogative sentence are used to ask a question. Interrogative sentence are used to ask a questions. They end with a question mark, and also they are raised through the questions. The words such as when, where, who, how, where, why. Okay. Mainly the WHO questions are comes under interrogative sentence. Why? Because means interrogative sentence is nothing but ask a questions. There are the few examples are given below. The first one is who are you? Where is my book? Why are you sad? Okay, these are the three examples we can see about the interrogative sentence. So interrogative sentence is nothing but ask a questions. There are the 2 points are mainly you have to notice. The first one is they end with the question mark, and the second one is they are raised through the question. The words such as, what are the words comes under means when, where, who, how, where, why. Okay, there are the few examples also given below. When is your birthday? Where is your house? Who are you? Next, how old are you? Where is my book? Why are you sad? These are all comes under interrogative sentence. Why? Because means they are asked a questions, and also they end with the question mark, and also they raised through the questions. So it is called as a interrogative sentence. Next we can see about imperative sentence. What is my imperative sentence? Imperative sentence are created to command or to ask for request. They are imperative in nature. In some sentence they end with exclamations, but mostly they end with a pause or full stop. There are few examples as follows. Put the key in the drawer. Wait for me. Please leave your footwear outside. Slow down, please. Okay. So, in imperative sentence, give some command or ask for request. That is called as imperative sentence. What is my imperative sentence? Give some commands or ask for request. That is called as imperative sentence. And with the period or exclamation mark, say any sentences, the sentence found on exclamation mark is used, and exclamation mark is used. That is called as what? Imperative sentence. What is the example for in imperative sentence? Put the key in a drawer. Wait for me. Please leave your footwear outside. Whenever you give for a command or asking a help or request, imperative sentence are used. So imperative sentence is nothing but command or asking for help or request. Okay, in this place you have to use the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence are the most important. Mainly it gives command or ask for request and which the periods or exclamations mark, and also say any sentence the sentence is found and exclamation mark is used. Only three examples are given below. The first one is put the key in the drawer, wait for me, and then please leave your footwear outside. These are the examples. Whenever you give for a command or asking for a help or a request, you have to use the imperative sentence. Okay, then the final types of sentence is exclamative sentence. The last type is exclamative sentence. Exclamative sentence are used to express strong emotion or feelings. Okay, in exclamative means you have to know that they express strong emotions and also the feelings. Those sentence and with end with exclamatory sentences. You have to end the sentence with exclamatory mark. There are the few examples are follows. That is huge fish, exclamatory mark. Wow, what a beautiful house! Beautiful house it is. What a beautiful day! He is such a nice boy I have ever seen. Alas, I lost my purse. These are the few examples are given for the exclamative sentence. The first example is that is a huge fish. Here, expressing our emotions of surprise by seeing a huge fish. So, you have to put the exclamative mark at the last. That is a huge fish. That is expressing our emotions of surprise. So, if it is surprise means you have to use it the exclamation mark. Okay, exclamation mark by seeing a huge fish. Suddenly, we seeing a huge fish means it was so surprising, no? So you have to add the exclamatory mark at the end. This is the first example. The second one is, what is the second example? Wow, what a beautiful house it is, isn't it? Wow, what a beautiful house it is. What a beautiful day also. Here we are uh, expressing our happening after seeing the beautiful day. After seeing the beautiful day, it was exciting. So, what a beautiful day! You have to put the exclamatory mark. Here also, the second one is wow, what a beautiful house it is. So, while seeing the beautiful house, suddenly we get some emotional and strong feelings. No, so you have to put involve in that place. You have to put the exclamative mark. What a beautiful house it is. It also end with exclamations. Next we can see about what a beautiful day. Here we are expressing our happening after seeing a beautiful day. He is such a nice boy. Here we are expressing our emotions and satisfying after meeting such a nice boy. So you can put it as the exclamation mark at the end. At the end, he is such a nice boy. At the end, you have to write as the exclamatory mark. So exclamatory sentence are used to express some strong emotions, or feelings that all the above exclamative sentences. So that's all about types of sentence. Again, I will recall. First we can see about the types of sentence, isn't it? First we can see the types of sentence. In types of what is by sentence? Sentence is nothing but three types, other the three groups. The first one is complete thought or ideas, and the second one is subject and verb combination, and the third one is meaning. Under that meaning there are the four uh, groups are there. First one is statement, command, questions, and then exclamation. These are called as the different types of meaning. Okay, first we can see about the complete thought or ideas. In that, what is the example I told? Blue sky is the, is it correct? No, it is not a correct sentence. So you have to rearranging the same word to get the meaningful sentence. For that we have to rearrange the sentence. That is, the sky is blue. Now we get to know about the color of the sky, some information about the sky from the sentences, as it is convey the meaning of the sentence. So it is the complete thoughts or ideas. Next we can see about subject and verb combination. The subject and verb combination, sometimes the subject is not given in the sentence. For an example, put the book here. You have to write the subject in front of this sentence. So you put the book here. Here now, you is the subject, put is the verb, and the book here is the object. Likewise, the another one examples are there. You are a good student. In this sentence, you is the subject, or is the verb. A good student is the object. So this is the subject and verb combination. And the third one is meaning. It has the different meaning such as statement, questions, command, and exclamation. These four are called as the meaning. So these three groups totally called as sentence. What are they means? The first one is complete thought or ideas, subject and verb combination, and the meaning. These three are important for sentences. So later the sentence are divided into four types. The first one is statement. The second one is command, exclamations, and then questions. We can briefly see one by one. First, we can see about the declarative sentence. Declarative sentence is nothing but the sentence that are constructed to tell the informations or convey the information to the listeners. Isn't it? It is the form of, there are the two forms. The first one is, it is the form of statement, and the second one is, it ends with a full stop. There are the few examples as follows. The first one is, a dog is a man's best friend. The sandwich is very tasty. She is the beautiful girl. Isn't it? In this first sentence, it tells about the best friend. The dog is the man's best friend. And also, in the second sentence, it tells about the taste of the sandwich. And the third sentence, it tells about the beautiful girl. Okay. So it is called as a declarative sentence. Next, we can see about interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is nothing but interrogative sentence are used to ask the questions. In this, they end with the question mark. You have to put question mark. There are raised to the questions such as, what are the questions? WHO questions. What are they means? When, where, who, how, where, why. This is called as interrogative sentence. There are a few examples for interrogative sentence. When is your birthday? Where is my house? Who are you? Where is my book? How are you? Why are you so sad? These are the example for the interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, at last you have to put the question mark. So interrogative sentence is nothing but ask a questions. They ended with a question mark. They are raised through the question words, WHO questions. Okay. Next we can see about imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is nothing but uh, created to command or to ask for the request. So you have to remember that imperative sentence is a command, request, or help. This and all comes under imperative sentences. There are imperative sentence in nature. In some sentence they end with exclamations, but mostly they end with a pause or full stop. There are few examples as follows. Put the key in a drawer. Wait for me. Please leave your footwear outside. Slow down, please. So, in please and all, helping verbs and request, as well as the request, as well as command, request, help. These words and all comes under imperative sentences. These are the example for the imperative sentences. The last one is exclamative sentence. The exclamative sentence are used to express strong emotions or feelings. Those sentences end with exclamatory mark. Those sentences end with exclamatory mark. Um, End with exclamatory sentences. There are the few examples as follows. That is a huge fish. In this sentence, that is a huge fish. Suddenly, we saw the huge fish means it was a surprising, no? So, here express our emotion of surprise by seeing the huge fish. So it is called as an exclamative sentences. The next one is what a beautiful day means. Here we are expressing our happening after seeing a beautiful day. So it is called as exclamative sentences. He is such a nice boy. Here we are expressing our emotions and satisfying after meeting such a nice boy, isn't it? It is the called as exclamatory mark. Alas, I lost my purse. This sentence also is called as a exclamative sentences. He is such a nice boy I have ever seen. So exclamative sentence are used to express strong emotions or feelings that are all about sentences. That's all about types of sentence and also sentences. Thank you.